You're going to save the city!
I love the confidence, but what do you mean we're going to save the city?
We don't even know what the city is called.
This is the Luminous City!
Doesn't that mean like super bright and colorful? It doesn't look very luminous.
It was once, and it was full of light and color and heroes, until one hero wanted more. And that's when the drain was created.
Like a bathtub drain?
Think more like an intense giant tornado that sucks the color out of everything it comes near.
Oh, that sounds bad.
The drain stole every drop of color, and it's getting worse. Soon, I think our city will fade forever.
Okay, but has anyone tried to stop it?
The drain is powered by chromatic energy from the colors of our world. The only way to save the city is to defeat the drain.
Mr. Color Finder Scout?
Grayscale depletion detector, but you can call me Gage.
Okay, Gage. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I know we look like heroes, but we're not anything special. We're just two kids from California.
Hey Jordan, look at this! I think I have super strength here.
She's never done that before.
Well, there are stories of portals being opened to other worlds and heroes coming through with powers that they didn't have in their world. Almost like something deep inside you shows up here somehow. You guys have to stop the drain. Maybe with her kind of power, you can change things around here.
You don't understand. We aren't from here. We ended up here by accident. Or maybe accident isn't the right word, but we need to get back home, to our world.
Your world is California?
Yeah, sure.
So, if we were to find this drain thing and figure out how to restore some of these powers and colors, then would it be possible to open a portal back?
Yes. Our world was once full of powers and portals. If it is restored to what it was, you can get home.
So the only way out is through. And clearly there are a lot of people here who need help.
I'm in.
Me too. So, how do we find this drain?
Just follow the subway tracks all the way until they re-emerge above ground. There you will find a bridge. Cross it and continue until you reach the Chromatic Valley. You'll know it when you see it.
Can't you just come with us? It sounds like you know what you're talking about.
Nope, no way. I'm not going near that thing. Look at me. I'm powerless.
Is anyone really powerless? Come on, we can all do something, right?
No, we can't. It has to be you. Listen, it's not going to be easy. The legends say you'll have to make a sacrifice. It's the only way. Why do you think no one has done it before? But somehow, I have the feeling this time might be different.
Okay, then on to find the drain it is.
Off to defeat a terrible color-stealing tornado, restore color to this world, and then find a portal back home. Fun! If I really concentrate, I think I can even shoot lasers from my eyes.
That's great.
Whoa, no way. Jordan, look.
Really? The one snack I've seen in this whole town? I just can't escape the Cool Ranch Doritos.
We should grab some, just in case. Not sure how long this whole drain thing is gonna take. Whoa, this suit is awesome.
I guess I am a little hungry.
Me too. We never got that pizza.
Jordan? Maya? Jordan? Maya? Whoa, what is that?